Hey everybody, Jackie here from Jay's Beautiful Jewels, and I am here to talk to you about the winner's circle. What is the winner's circle, you ask? Well, if you are a consultant, you should be in this group, okay? It's called the winner's circle, where our founders go live every Wednesday and they give us a challenge. They give us great information about how can we be encouraged to continue our business. They give us challenges, they give us tips. They are awesome. I love it, love it, love it, love it every time they come live. They make me happy. And if you are not part of this, you must, okay? I created something for myself, and again, every time I create something and PDF or something that I think it's useful to consultants, I share it with you. I started doing this weeks ago. So I created a PDF, okay, where you can write down the quote of the day. They share a quote every time they come live on Wednesdays. You can write it down. You could write your, write your notes how it applies to you. You're gonna write down the challenge that they give you, and you're gonna write down your plan to win that challenge. Now also here you're gonna write down your challenge status by the end of the week. Okay, so every Wednesdays I wrote down the link. You can go into this link and make sure that you are part of this group if you are a consultant. Okay, it is amazing. I have never ever been in a business where I have access to the founders. You can ask questions. They love to follow you. If you are participating in the challenge, they go into your, they click on your videos if they see you. I mean, it's awesome. I love it, love, 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 love it. And Trent, he is a no-nonsense businessman. I love, love, love his way of thinking, and the great tips that they share every Wednesday with us. So be part of that group. I put the link below. Just click on it, join the group, and get your free PDF, okay? So you can keep track of your challenges on Wednesdays, whatever challenges you think that it's right for you and your business. You can participate on it, and that's it. Thank you, everybody. If you think this is useful, share it with your team. Please support me so I can continue making these free PDFs for you and share more content with you by liking the video, share it with your team members, and subscribe and hit that little bell button so you don't miss out when I post new content. Okay, so thank you everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.